Please take notice that I, Taylor James Johnatakis, a sentient moral being, serve this non-negotiable notice of inquiry attached to you. Yes, we have an absolutely amazing January 6th court document to look at here. Judge Lamberth, does the court's record reflect that I have accepted and returned the offers and presentments of the clerk of this court and the plaintiffs for settlement and closure of this matter? Judge Lamberth, is it honorable for a judge to adjudicate a matter when there is a direct or indirect financial benefit to your 801k or any other investment interest as proven by the CUSIP number issued by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission and financially associated with case number 121CR91RCL? Judge Lamberth, would it not be honorable to discharge this matter and issue an order of the court to me immediately? Judge Lamberth, does the court's record reflect that when the law fails to provide remedy, that equity follows the law, and in any conflict or variance between the rules of law and the rules of equity, that equity shall prevail? Judge Lamberth, does the court's record reflect that I reserve my rights with explicit reservation without prejudice in regards to the recent appeals court ruling on the implausibly overbroad interpretations by the government's prosecutors? Judge Lamberth, does the court's record reflect that I am being held as a bureaucratic prisoner under color of law in violation of my rights? Judge Lamberth, does the court's record reflect that I have repented of any dishonor to this court and that I do not consent to any further jail or prison incarceration? Judge Lamberth, does the court's record reflect that I, in advance, accept any adjudication offer you present to me at sentencing and return it to you for settlement and closure of this case for my immediate release from custody? Non-negotiable notice of inquiry. Judge Lamberth, does the court's record reflect that you are to take judicial cognizance of this non-negotiable notice of inquiry as well as the maximum that you have equity before your eyes over the fictions of law, that you are hereby compelled to do what ought to be done instead of the obvious bureaucratic pressures upon you to do what the politics of the day wish for you to do? Please respond within 3 days from the date you receive this non-negotiable notice of acceptance. Dishonor may result if you fail to respond. I reserve all my rights with the explicit reservation and without prejudice. Now there's up here you can see where there's something written in ink. You might not be able to read that well, but I know what it says. Let this be filed. All requested relief is denied. That's a good one. That's a good one right there.